Hello, and welcome to another Prism Did You Know video. Today we'll be talking about job creation and plot generation within Prism. To begin, we'll click on the Cruising Configurations drop-down within the Plan tab and choose our desired configuration. Once here, click Jobs, and it'll bring you to your existing jobs. You see we have 2 already, but we want to create a new one. Clicking on Create New Job will give us the interface we need. We'll give it a name. We'll give it a job type, which are pulled from our configuration module, and then add stands. Choose any of the stands here. Within this window, there's a variety of options. Plot spacing or plot density with mode. A linear measurement unit for use in the spacing and buffer measures. A horizontal and a vertical spacing. An interior buffer and a rotation in degrees. All of this data dynamically updates the map so you can see the expected plot location here. Once we've chosen all of this and the plot type we desire, click Add Plots. If you want to add another stand, we can do so. If you have hundreds of stands that you want to add to a single job though, it can be a pain to add them one by one. For that reason, we've created a tool that allows us to select multiple stands. Holding Alt, you can draw a polygon that will select all stands within. Simply double click at the end and it'll select the stands. With this mode, spacing, buffer, plot type, etc. will be applied to all stands generated in this. That being said, you can have different plot types within the same job, different spacing, different plot types, such as density versus spacing, etc. Once that all looks good, click Add Plots. We can then review stand by stand, either zooming in, deleting, or updating the stand. Once everything looks good, hitting Create Job will generate all the plots and create the job for you. Once that's done, we're good to go. However, if you have existing data or historical cruises that you want to add into Prism, that can be done as well. We have open here the ArcGIS Online feature service for our Prism database. Clicking on the Update Data, Add Features, and moving next, we can add data to the jobs, plots, stand, trees, or subplots table however we want. Choosing one of these and clicking next will then allow us to add files as we desire. Another way we can add data is through ArcGIS Pro. Having ArcGIS Pro open, adding our ArcGIS Online feature service layer, as well as the data we want to import, we can add the information into Prism with a few easy steps. We'll open the Append tool in the Geoprocessing tab, choose Input Dataset, the importable data, and the target dataset being the data we want to add it to, so for this case the trees table. Then use the desired field matching types and click Run. Once that's done, your trees will be added to the trees table. Note that you'll have to do this for the trees, plots, jobs, and stands level, and tie them together using the global ID and plot GUID and job GUID fields to sync them up. For example, the tree level plot GUID ties to the plot level normal GUID. Once that's done, your data will be in and accessible in both the online and mobile app of Prism. Thanks for tuning in, and if you want to see more videos like this, go to www.limgeomatics.com.